Today I'm here with a quick chocolate chip cookie recipe that will satisfy your craving in no time. First, you need to grease 2 ramekins or any microwave-safe bowls with some butter. In a bowl, you're going to mix together flour and powdered sugar. Then add in melted butter and milk. And mix it till you have a batter. And then you're going to divide this batter among the 2 ramekins. And spread it as evenly as possible using the spoon. Then you're going to microwave each of them at about 80% power for 50 seconds. And then you're going to sprinkle on as many chocolate chips as you want. Press them in slightly and the heat from the cookie should hold them together. Then let the cookie cool completely. Then you can transfer your cookie onto a plate, or you could just dig in because who really cares? And there you have your cookie. This cookie is a bit crunchy, but you can microwave it for even lesser time if you want it to be chewy. Have fun with the recipe and enjoy. And also make sure to clean up your kitchen after you're done. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!